cold is it, James? We got 39 degrees today, and we decided it'd be a good idea to do some siding on the side of a house. Siding's a lot like flooring or any other Lego building fucking thing you're piecing together. As he cuts a few pieces, I'm up here on the scaffold hanging them. Siding is one of the very few things that has not evolved, but it has not evolved for a good reason. We still use nail and hammer. The deal is that these little grooves, the nail, it needs to be able to not hold this too tight so that this can adjust back and forth, flex between the heat and the cold. If you were to use any kind of air pressure gun or screw or anything and fasten it permanently, this stuff would be blowing and warping all through the summers when it gets hot.